Today's video is how to make coconut oil in its purest form at home. Coconut oil is excellent for boosting your HDL or good cholesterol. It's an excellent moisturizer for your skin and for your hair. It has antifungal properties which you normally don't get in the store-bought coconut oil because it's processed and additives are put into it so that can be preserved for a long time. This oil which we make at home can also be used for massaging newborn babies, which is very common in Indian homes. It can also be used as an oil for salads instead of olive oil. It is easily digestible. It can be easily made at home and it is at its purest form when you make it yourself. So let's begin. Today I have taken 3 coconuts. Try and take mature coconuts for this because the tender ones give very less oil. I have removed the flesh from the shell, cut into small pieces so that it is easier to blend in the mixie. Put it into the mixie, added warm water. Every batch I've ground, I've added 2 cups of warm water. And we are going to extract the coconut milk. We are going to extract the milk 3 times. That is the first milk, second milk and the third milk. We are going to collect it together. We are not going to collect it separately. It's easier to pass it through a cloth than just a sieve because you get just the coconut milk if you pass it through a good cotton cloth. I'm repeating the process again and again till I get 3 times the coconut milk. And every time I'm adding lukewarm water. At the end of this process, I've got approximately 2 liters of coconut milk collectively. This residue that you get, you can't do anything with it, you can't consume it. But if you were in a village and you had cattle, you could use it as fodder. You could also use this in your compost if you have house plants. Here I have to keep this milk in the fridge for a few hours. So what I'm doing is I'm transferring to 2 smaller utensils so that I can cover it and keep it in the refrigerator. I've kept it in the refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours. What happens in this time is that the coconut cream floats to the top and the water in it settles at the bottom. To make the cream more firm, an hour before I've removed it from the fridge, I've kept it in the freezer. So as you can see, it's easy for me to separate the coconut cream from the water below. Keep this coconut cream on high flame to cook till it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, mix well, reduce the flame to medium and continue cooking. Very soon, in say 5 to 6 minutes, you'll start the milk solids starting to clump together and the oil separating. You can cook this milk solids further till it's brown, but then the oil will also turn lightly brown in color. Since I want the oil to be clear, I've stopped cooking at this point. Your homemade coconut oil is ready to be used. I am passing it through the sieve and collecting it into a bottle. Try and store it in glass bottles. Here it is, your homemade coconut oil is ready. You can use it for daily cooking too. Beautifully aromatic, homemade, pure coconut oil is ready to be used. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.